Making $1,000 in a single day sounds like a fantasy, right? But it's not. Forget get-rich-quick schemes and risky bets. Today, we're talking about a real, actionable plan. No luck, just strategy. This challenge is about more than money. It's about unlocking your potential. Imagine what $1,000 could do for you right now. Cover an emergency, pay off a bill, or kickstart a dream. For the next 24 hours, suspend disbelief. Focus on how you can, not why you can't. This isn't about grinding for minimum wage. It's about working smart, targeting high-value opportunities, and executing a precise plan. You already have skills people will pay for. Today, we find them. I'll walk you through a step-by-step process, from idea to money in your account. No sketchy shortcuts, just leveraging what you already know and finding people who need it now. The goal: demystify earning significant money quickly and prove you control your financial destiny. This lesson will stick with you long after today. Take a deep breath, let go of skepticism. The date is December 1st, 2025. You have 24 hours. The clock starts now. The real challenge isn't just to make $1,000, it's to change how you see your earning potential forever. Ready? Let's get started. Before you take action, you need a mindset shift. Your brain is probably full of excuses. I don't have skills, no one would pay me, this is unrealistic. These are just invisible scripts holding you back. For the next 24 hours, ban the phrase, "I can't." Replace it with, "How can I?" A question that opens doors. "I can't make $1,000 in a day" becomes, "How can I make $1,000 in a day?" This shift forces your brain to look for solutions, not problems. It's the mindset of every successful person. This isn't about blind optimism, it's practical psychology. When you ask, "How can I?" you start seeing opportunities and connecting your skills to real needs. You become the architect of your own success. This mental switch is the most important step. Without it, even the best plan is useless. Say it out loud. How can I make $1,000 in the next 24 hours? Let your brain work on it. Feel the shift from doubt to action. You're now a problem solver on a mission. With the right mindset, let's get practical. Spend the first 2 hours listing your high-value skills, those that solve expensive problems or create big value. Forget mowing lawns. We want skills you can charge $100, $250, or $500 for a few hours' work. Make 4 lists: professional skills, hobby skills, problem-solving skills, and things people always ask you for help with. Write down everything: managing projects, designing presentations, coding, organizing, photography, editing videos, assembling furniture, resume editing, travel planning. Don't dismiss anything. Even hobbies can hide marketable skills. Think about what people praise you for or ask your help with. These overlooked abilities are often your most valuable. The goal: identify 2 or 3 skills you can monetize fast. Now, let's turn those skills into irresistible offers. Now, turn your top skills into irresistible offers. A skill is just an ability. An offer is a packaged solution to a real problem. Don't say, "I'm a good writer." Instead, "I'll write 5 SEO-optimized blog posts for your business in 8 hours. Create 3 specific offers based on your best skills. Define exactly what you'll do and the result the client gets. Set a value-based price. Think $250, $500 or more, not hourly rates. For example, "I'll organize your garage in 4 hours for $400 so you can finally park your car inside." Or, "I'll design a 1-page website in 8 hours for $750. Write a 1-paragraph pitch for each offer. For customer, I will service, resulting in benefit. My 1-day special price is price. Focus on the client's outcome, not your effort. Your goal: 2 clients at $500 or 4 at $250. Now you have concrete, compelling offers ready to sell. Next, let's find your first clients fast. Time to take action. An offer is useless until someone buys it. The next 4 hours are all about outreach. Skip building a website. Go where the customers are now. Start with your warm network, email or text 20, 30 people you know. Former colleagues, friends, family. Don't beg for money. Send a direct professional message. Hey, name, I'm doing a one-day business push. I'm offering service. Is that something you need right now? At the same time, target hot leads in local online communities, Facebook groups, neighborhood forums, or hobby groups. Look for people asking for help or post your offer as a limited time deal. Today only, I'm offering a 4-hour garage reset for $400. 2 spots available. Respond to posts, send DMs, and keep your message clear and urgent. The key is volume and speed. Start as many conversations as possible. Don't get discouraged by silence or rejection. It's a numbers game. For every 20 people you contact, expect 1 to 2 positive replies. Track your conversations and follow up if you don't hear back. Stay visible and keep pushing your offer, your goal. Get 5-10 people interested. The clients are out there. You just have to reach them. Keep moving, keep hustling. This is where the deals happen. Next, deliver excellence and get paid. Let's make it real. You've landed a client. Now it's time to deliver. The next 8 hours are for focused, high-quality work. Confirm expectations with your client. I'll deliver outcome by time. Sound good? Go above and beyond. Add small touches that wow your client. If you're organizing a garage, clean and label everything. If you're writing, include bonus content. Over-deliver to turn a satisfied customer into a raving fan. Arrange payment before you start, 50% upfront, 50% on completion. Use simple platforms like PayPal or Venmo. When finished, send a friendly message. All done, here's your result. Sending the final payment request now. Stay professional and communicate clearly if issues arise. Always offer solutions. This is how you build a reputation even in a single day. Delivering excellence and ensuring smooth payment is the satisfying finish to your day's work. You've earned it, but don't stop here. Let's maximize your results. You've delivered, you've been paid, but don't stop now. The final hours are about maximizing your earnings with upsells and referrals. First, the upsell. While your client is happy, offer a logical next step. Organize their pantry, create social media content, whatever fits. Make it easy and helpful, not pushy. Second, ask for a referral. I'm glad you're happy. Do you know anyone else who might need this service? Provide a pre-written text they can forward. Referrals can turn one client into 2 or 3. These steps take minutes, but can add hundreds to your day. Don't skip them. They're pure profit. This is how you build momentum and future income. One great job can lead to a steady stream of work. Finish strong. Now, what if things didn't go as planned? Sometimes, even the best plans don't work out. If you haven't landed a client after hours of effort, don't panic. Pivot. Analyze your results. Is your offer compelling? Is your price too high? Are you targeting the right people? If one offer isn't working, switch to another from your list. Consider a smaller, lower-price service to get your foot in the door. For example, I'll write one blog post for 100 delivered in 2 hours. Or pivot to high-demand, lower-skill services. Junk removal, furniture assembly, deep cleaning, post a same-day ad. I can haul away junk this afternoon, starting at $200. The goal is $1,000 in 24 hours, not glamour. A smart pivot is a sign of resilience, not failure. Keep adapting until you win. The clock's run out. Whether you made $1,000, $500, or $100, you took action. The real lesson: you're not powerless. You can generate income on your own terms. This challenge was never just about money. It was a crash course in entrepreneurship. Now, what will you do tomorrow? Treat this as a blueprint, not a one-time fluke. Even a few hours a week could transform your finances. A rich life isn't about luxury. It's about options, freedom, and peace of mind. The skills you practiced, identifying value, marketing, delivering, are the foundation of that freedom. Refine them, build systems, and create a reliable income stream. Celebrate your effort, then think bigger. This one-day sprint is just the first step. Use your new confidence to tackle bigger goals. Invest, negotiate, start a side business. You've proven you can make things happen. The path to a rich life is about consistent action, not one heroic day. You've started the engine. Now, keep driving.